Veteran actress Rekha has been recently nominated as a member of Rajya Sabha. Now we all know that Rekha is an actress who rarely even interacts with the media. And not just that, she's also been away from films for a very long time. But now that she's all set to show us her political side, we are wondering, would she be able to keep up to the expectations?
I just want you to know that I will work from the bottom of my heart to keep this glow on your face बहुत बरकरार and continue to serve you and entertain you and make you absolutely proud of me. Thank you so much.
Well, Rekha ji, if romancing and dancing around the trees on the silver screen is what you're referring to as charity work, we are left wondering how you're planning to use this art for the larger good of the public.
And continue to serve you.
Well, looks like now we'll get to see and hear a lot from our original Umrao Jan. And why not? After all, she is a public figure and now a government servant as well.
Well, the latest on the story is that Congress has finally managed to get Rekha and Jia seating in order.
Why should I be traveling?
Did you recognize this voice? Does it sound familiar? Well, along with this voice, once again we bring you exclusive news from veteran star Rajesh Khanna's personal life. But actually there has been a big positive change in Rajesh Khanna's personal life. And the good news is that he has reunited with his family. We'll tell you how Dimple Kapadia along with daughters Twinkle and Rinky came together with Rajesh Khanna to reunite as a family. Well, the story goes that recently there have been speculations about Rajesh Khanna's health. Some newspaper articles suggested that Kaka was critically ill and was admitted to Mumbai's Leelavati Hospital. The stories also claim that Dimple Kapadia was with him all throughout. But that is not exactly what happened. Now here's the real story. Rajesh Khanna had gone to the hospital for a routine checkup, and that too with a supposed fracture. But just after he got back home, Dimple along with Twinkle and Rinky came to meet him. Now we are also glad to reveal that Kaka is not seriously ill and he is actually doing pretty fine. But if you don't believe us, then listen into this familiar voice.
छोटा सा फ्रैक्चर था और रेगुलर चेकअप के लिए गए थे बस.
अच्छा, तो सब अफवाहें है कि हेवी मेडिकेशन की जरूरत है, ऐसा कुछ
नहीं, सब बेकार की बात है.
और नहीं, एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम ये थी, हमने ये भी सुना है कि डिम्पल जी हैज बीन थ्रू आउट हर बाय हिज बेड साइड एंड हैज बीन रियली टेकिंग केयर ऑफ हिम. और अभी भी उनके पास अभी भी उनके घर में उनके साथ उनकी फैमिली थी पूरी. तो ये एज आप भी वहाँ पे थे, तो आप बताइए कि एग्जैक्टली क्या है.
फैमिली तो घर पे आएगी जरूर, मतलब फैमिली साथ ही है, सब साथ हैं, तो आएंगे, मिलेंगे जरूर.
Well, Kaka and his special friend Anita exclusively spoke to Zoom over the phone, and he also told us that even though his voice sounds weak, he is doing well and he had been shooting too.
Hello.
Hello, Rajesh ji.
Hi,
Hi, I'm so glad to hear your voice. We just heard rumors that you've been very ill. We are so happy.
No. I mean, if there were rumors, why should I be traveling? Why should I mean?
So all is well with you, Rajesh ji?
Yeah, and I was shooting also.
His close friend Anita, who was with him, clarified that Rajesh Khanna's family did come to see him, but not because he's severely ill. It was actually a routine visit. Well, that's really great news for all his fans. We wish Kaka good health and great fortune. After all, he now has his family and his special friend by his side.
आज फॉर अ मोमेंट मुझे लगा कहीं मैं गलत जगह तो नहीं आ गई, क्योंकि मुझे करना था ईशा गुप्ता का इंटरव्यू. एंड व्हेन आई केम इन दिस रूम आई वाज लाइक, हे, व्हाई इज एंजेलिना जोली सिटिंग हियर? For the non-believers, let me introduce you to the Desi Angelina Jolie, Isha Gupta. Welcome on.
Kirti, thank you so much.
You know, आपको constantly compare किया जा रहा है. Wow, she looks like Angelina Jolie, which is a good thing. Do you feel flattered and you're like, okay guys, let me make my own mark?
Well, जैसे कि आपने कहा, I actually feel exactly the same because after a point आप एक अपनी इंडिविजुअलिटी चाहते हैं, आप चाहते हैं कि लोग ईशा गुप्ता को जाने, ना कि ईशा गुप्ता द देसी एंजेलिना जोली. So it's a compliment in its own way because she's very very gorgeous. But काफी बार लगता है कि अच्छा बस सब हो गया.
Right, because जब भी किसी एक्टर को इस तरह से कंपेयर किया गया है, it didn't work for them. Whether it's Sneha Ulal who was compared to Aishwarya Rai or Zareen Khan who was compared to Katrina Kaif. What do you think could be the reason for it?
I don't know what could be the reason for it because even whether they compare me or not, it's still working for me, I must say, because by God's grace and good wishes, it's 3 films that I'm already doing right now. So I think you can't only depend on your looks, and you have to, because looks are deceptive at the end, and अगर आप एक बहुत ही अच्छे actor हैं, so that shows through your face and through your body, and automatically everything becomes beautiful. So I think people shouldn't be dependent so much on the looks, and they shouldn't care about the looks so much. Of course we should, because big picture पे वही दिखता है. मगर अगर आप अपनी परफॉर्मेंस बेहतर करेंगे, अपना overall you'll give your 100%, then I think it'll work for everyone.
Totally agree with that. And जैसा आपने कहा कि looks पे totally bank नहीं करना चाहिए. अभी आपकी जन्नत तो रिलीज नहीं हुई है, एंड आपके पास रास्त्री है, प्रकाश झा की चक्रव्यूह है, एंड प्रकाश झा is someone who won't sign someone purely on looks basis. So what do you think is talking for you, like talking for your acting skills?
I can't talk about my acting skills because मुझे खुद नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, मगर जो भी मेरे डायरेक्टर्स चाहते हैं, I'm trying to follow. वो लोग क्या चाहते हैं मैं सुनती हूँ, समझती हूँ और एक्ट करती हूँ, मगर मुझे नहीं पता मैं कैसी एक्टिंग कर रही हूँ. फिलहाल मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, मुझे बस ये पता है कि अच्छा जी सर आपको ये चाहिए, ठीक है मैं ये करूँगी, एंड लकीली फॉर मी तीनों डायरेक्टर्स अभी तक तीनों फिल्म के बहुत अच्छे मिले हैं. दे आर वेरी काम विद मी, एंड उनके डायरेक्शन का वे बहुत अच्छा है कि वो एक एक चीज़, एक एक इमोशन बहुत अच्छे से मुझे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, विच हेल्प्स मी. लाइक आई नो मैं क्या सोच रही हूँ, एक दिमाग में एक थॉट होता है हमेशा, मगर जब वो बोलते हैं शॉर्ट होके, तब तक आप मेरे जैसे ही बोलते हैं शॉर्ट होके आप मेरे फेस पे कंफ्यूज एक्सप्रेशन देखेंगे, क्योंकि आई एम लाइक मुझे नहीं पता मैंने क्या किया.
Thank you, Isha. Thank you so much for talking with us, and all the best for the movie.
Thank you so much.
We leave you with these exciting visuals from the 70 cricket match that was organized by Junaid Khan, who seems to be following into Papa Amir's footsteps.